Hi everyone. Now let's discuss about important topic. Why we need code migration from Python 2 version to Python 3. It's very important. Now all companies are doing code migration from Python 2 version to Python 3. So let us understand few important points about this. First of all, Python 3 supports for artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science. So we have extensive support, library support for Python 3. That's why it is very flexible to work with artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science for automation as well as data visualization patterns. And when we come to second point, Python 3 has developers community and getting quick support is easy. So in Python 2, we don't have any developers community. That means we have more lakhs libraries are available in Python 3. So that is not possible to get support from top level management because now it's trend for Python and just release proof of customers. That means it's not fully developed. That's why there is no accuracy for helping from the people. So that's why who are developed Python. So from there we have developers community is there, and whenever a developer or programmer gets confusion, then they will discuss with the community people. So it is very easy and flexible to solve the issues very quickly. And it has flexible library support and no risk in security updates. That means so here Python 2 from Python 3 when we are migrating, so they are when they are doing, so we have lakhs of libraries are implemented in Python 3 which is not available in Python 2. So that means Python 3 libraries are increased double times from Python 2. That's why, so in that case more libraries are added into the Python 3 version. And also no risk in security updates. In Python 2 there will be a security issues while updating. That's why they are migrating code from Python 2 to Python 3. So that is the simple reason and no need to think in a complex way. Okay, and Python 3 is simple and easily understandable. If you observe Python 2 syntax, it is somewhat confusion and then it is not easy to understand and remember. But compared to Python 2 here, Python 3 is very flexible and easy. The syntax is very simple. So then we can write code easily. So there is no risk or complex writing the code or building the logic. So that's why very simple reasons are available from when people are migrating from Python 2 to Python 3. Okay, so this is all about Python 3 here. Okay, so thank you so much and see you in the next class. Hi everyone. Now let's talk about the differences between Python 2 version and Python 3 version. So it is very simple and we have no complexity in these differences. So let us understand here. In Python 2, whatever the libraries are not compatible, we can't use for latest updates for machine learning, artificial intelligence, like that. And in Python 3 libraries are used extensively for data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning for that. And when we are using Python 2, then global variables are the values are changed while using loops. So when we are using these variables inside the loop, then the values may vary. That means so we can't stay perfect values inside the variables. So now for global variable values for Python 3 will not change even though we are using in loops. So that's the beauty of Python 3. And then we use in Python 2 in notation format, and then for Python 3 we can go with the parenthesis. That means with brackets we can, that is a simple syntax differences. And in Python 2 the xrange function is used for iterations. So in loop or something else, if we want to iterate the values we use xrange function. But in Python 3 we have new range function which can be used to perform the iterations in loop format. And then the syntax of Python 2 was comparatively difficult to understand. So it is very difficult to understand for Python 2 syntax. Let's like print hello. So then these will look like format. And then syntax for Python 3 is simpler and easy understandable. So that's how we can use Python 3 here. So these are the basic differences from Python 2 to Python 3, and extensively we use Python 3 because of security updates are available for Python 3, and then we have great community developers community support for Python 3, and more than 3 lakhs libraries are available for all the technologies, and Python 3 can be used everywhere in all the technologies because it's an open source and free software. So this is all about Python 2 and Python 3. So we'll see few more classes later. Okay, so thank you so much and see you in the next class.